Did you know that during World War II, one person died for every single meter of the Burma Death Railway? Japanese engineers deliberately chose the most deadly jungle route possible. Over 100,000 Allied prisoners and Asian workers died building just 415 kilometers of track. Starving men worked 18 hours in scorching heat with only hand tools. Disease spread like wildfire. The most horrifying part? Prisoners were forced to build crematoriums for their own dead bodies. Guards beat dying men until they collapsed at work. Human lives became the railway's primary building material.